be making cream cheese fruit dip. Before we get started, smash that subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. So the ingredients you'll need is fluff, a whole thing of cream cheese, vanilla extract, a big bowl to make sure you have the right amount of fluff because you don't want too much. This is the big mixing machine that you can plug in right here so it can turn around. And this is a spatula and vanilla extract. Now let's get started. We're gonna need 7 ounces of fluff to go into the bowl, so I'm gonna open this. That smells so good. Okay, we need 7 ounces. Come on, get in there. I don't have the toy. I should have used a spoon. It's not coming. Come on, Fluff. I don't have no die. Now I'm gonna add the whole thing of cream cheese into this bowl. Unless I can open it. Yep, I can. It's gonna rip anyways. It's hard to unwrap this, but I think I got it. See? I got it. I finally got this open and now I'm gonna pour the whole thing into the and there's some right here. It needs to be cold. Now I'm gonna do a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna open this up. Hey, I got it. Okay, this might come up fast, so I'm gonna do it over the bowl. I might have some more, but that's fine. Okay, I think that's 2.5 cups of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna put all of this stuff into this huge bowl so then I can mix it up. Okay, I got some out. Now I'm gonna put this into this little tray. In carefully, and I'm gonna push it down. Now I'm gonna get ready to stir it. It might make a big noise, but that's okay. Wow, that's so not so noisy, but if you like quiet noises, this might be too loud for you. We're baking cloud. And you might have to deal with it because baking's so loud. And it's only on stir 1. I'm gonna do it to 2. Why is it so loud? Wow! Now I'm gonna turn this off. So. OMG, that looks so good. Wait, I don't know what MG stands out of, but that's okay. That looks so like fluff. I mean, we already put in fluff, but like, wow. Now I'm gonna put this into the bowl. Tastes pretty good. Now that we have the cut fruits and the dip all in the fridge, we took it out and now we're going to get the dip and use this spoon and put it into this bowl. It's full of the spoon. Now I'm gonna put the fruit over the tray so it looks good. Ooh, there's some watermelon. And don't worry, I washed my hands. I did them in room order because there wasn't enough room for the grapes, so we just put them over the strawberries. There was not a lot of strawberries, I should say. So now it's my favorite part. We're gonna taste test it, but I'm going to need another taste tester. I just can't eat it all by myself. So who should I call? Luca! Luca!
Yeah.
Would you like to try my cream cheese dip with the fruits on the side? There's pineapple, I don't know, but
I'm going to have strawberry.
how does it taste?
That's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna get this huge.
Really, strawberry left.
There wasn't a lot. Oh my god. Tastes so good.
Let's try another one. I'm gonna try a pineapple. It's really good. I'll use a fork.
How much percent is it?
About 100.
Why?
That tastes really good.
What do you like the most? The dip or the fruit?
I like it fluff.
I haven't had a watermelon in a long time, so I'm gonna try one.
You've had one in 2020, which was last year.
That's really good.
All of Serafina's videos, I'd say this would probably be either number 3 or number 2. I'd say number 1 was the funfetti cake. I liked a lot. And I think number 2, I mean we couldn't eat the gingerbread houses, but the gingerbread does taste really good though.
Thank you guys so much for watching Serafina the Unicorn Baker. I hope you liked this. If you did, smash that thumb up, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. A big mixer bowl.
Cut.
This is a big mixer.
Cut.
Dad, it's so good. Would you like to try fruit and the dip? Or is that too much sugar for you? Yeah, I think it is. You won't be able to sleep tonight.
Cut.